Welcome to this releasing stress from your body meditation. It's best if you're lying down so that you can take full advantage of the stress relief. Getting comfortable. And we're going to start with some awareness on the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and out. As the breath becomes calmer and smoother, attempt to bring it down into the belly. It's called abdominal breathing. And this will support you to release the stress. So the breath gives life, so it makes sense to breathe efficiently and fully oxygenate your body and your brain. And it's also wonderful to release stress. It's a wonderful tool to relax. So take some nice breaths down into the belly. Easy does it. Enjoy this meditation, the simplicity of the breath, listening to my voice, the background music. And if thoughts arise in the mind, that's completely normal. Just come back to your breath. Come back to your belly rising and falling. And another tool is, obviously your eyes are closed, but it's as if you're looking down at your belly. Gives your eyes something to do. Now taking your awareness to your toes. Bend your toes backwards as far and as comfortably as you can. Keep breathing with this. Hold, hold. Push back. Enjoy the stretch of your toes. And then release. And at any point through this meditation, on the out breath, you might like to let out a ah or a That is also supportive of the stress relief. Now bringing your toes forward, really flexing them, feeling that stretch, bringing life and breath to your toes. And release. Now stretching your entire foot back, as if you're wanting your foot to meet the ground, You have a beautiful stretch all through the top of your foot, or feet, I should say. And relax. Breathe. Now bring your feet forward as if your toes are wanting to meet your shins. Feel that stretch. Might even feel it through your calves. Breathe. And relax. Can your heels drop into the floor or the mattress? Feel the weight of your heels. Intention has a lot to do with this. Setting the intention to feel weighted. Next, we're going to flex through the legs. And one of the ways you can do this is really straighten them out as if you're elongating them as much as you possibly can, with your toes raised upwards. So you've got a nice flex through the foot as well. You might be able to hold on to the muscles. You just want to feel a sense of tightness, I guess, a grip through your legs. Hold and let go. Now squeezing your buttocks as tight as you can. Flexing those muscles. They're big muscles. The gluteus maximus. And can carry a lot of stress too. Squeeze and relax. Feeling your bottom against the surface. Dropping, relaxing, breathing into this. And with your next in-breath, taking it down to the belly, a nice big deep breath, expanding the belly as far as you can. And then contracting, letting all the air out if you haven't already done so. Squeeze the belly as if it's meeting your spine, really pulling it in. And then letting go. Let's take your awareness down to your hands and your fingers. So clenching your fingers into a fist. And then stretching them out, your fingers out and your palms as much as you can, fingers wide apart. And then clenching into a fist. and then letting go. Hands resting peacefully against the mattress or the floor. We can't forget the arms. Stretch your arms out, either side of you, wide and firm. And you can bring the hands into this again if you want to, pushing away from your body with your arms. Strong, hold, breathe, and relax. Keep up the breathing, allowing the breath to release the stress from your body. Every breath out, setting the intention. There goes more stress. Letting it go. With the next in-breath, raise your shoulders up to your ears. Lift them up nice and firm and strong. And hold. And hold. And let them drop. Fully drop. Release, relax. Are you able to lift your head upwards? Don't do this if you've got a sore neck. Just lift your head and feel the weight of it. The kind of stress, I guess, on your neck. I want you to feel that. The head's very heavy, isn't it? And let your head drop back. I don't want you to feel any pain at all. With your next breath in, squeeze your face, pull some faces, stick your tongue out of your mouth. Clench your eyes, squeeze them. Squeeze your lips, make into a pout. Clench your teeth. And let go. Do that again. Scrunch up your forehead. Stick your lips out as if you're going to kiss someone. You can exaggerate that. Jut your chin forward. And relax. Breathe. feeling your entire body now completely relaxed. That's it. Just keep softening, letting go on every out breath. Another ah. Ah. Always helps to let go even more. Just tune into your body as to how you're feeling. Is there anywhere that needs your loving attention? Your breath? If there is, simply take the breath to that area of your body. And when you breathe out, let go. Set the intention that you're fully letting go. Looking down towards the navel. Feeling the air passing through your nostrils, belly rising and falling. You're in the present moment, totally in the now. Very gentle breathing. And absorbing the peacefulness. Absorbing the peacefulness. Ah, how good does that feel? Your next in-breath will bring this meditation to a close, but there's no need to rush. Just wiggle your toes and fingers and bring some gentle movement back into your body. Open your eyes when you're ready, but there's no rush. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the notifications button as a little reminder every day to incorporate at least 10 minutes of meditation into your life. I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.